What's good, YouTube? It's Carter Don, and I'm back at y'all with another video, man. So in this little video, I'm just wanted to show y'all like a cheap way to get a green screen for real. I mean, it's not really a green screen, but well, we gonna say it's a green screen, you know. But it's like a cheaper way to get a green screen, and I've tested this shit out before, cause whatchamacallit, my sister, she had used this type method for her, she was in Zoom and shit, so you know how motherfuckers be in Zoom, they gotta need a background and all that type shit. So this was what she had did, and shit, I'm using that motherfucker too, because I'm not about to go buy no fucking green screen for goddamn a bean. Like, and some of y'all niggas not from Philly and shit, so y'all don't know what a bean is, bro. A bean is $100, bro. Motherfucking green screens be like $100 and shit, bro. I ain't got time for that type shit. Paying for $100 green screen, man, you fucking crazy. But anyways, man, this little, the Aki green screen is just this. I went to the dollar store, bro. The shit like $1.89. Party covers and shit. Shit is green. Get a dark green John, bro. You set, bro. Like that shit is gonna work, bro. I tried it. My sister has done it too, bro. That shit actually works. And I'm on my way to what? God damn, nigga. Damn, I gotta wait now. I'm on my way to Walmart right now. I'm trying to see if I can like have something for my gaming chair to where like I can like, I don't know, like set like, I don't know, like stack it up so then it'll be able, this motherfucker trying to go around me, hell no. But so where I could just stack it up behind myself and then be able to tape it and all that type shit. If you feel what I'm saying, like, cause I got a gaming chair, you know, I got a gaming YouTube channel and shit. So I'm gonna try to do that shit. I'm trying to see if I can pick something up from Walmart too and stack that bitch up just like that. Cause that shit is gonna, bro, this shit is gonna help like so much, bro. Just by doing this shit, bro. I just paid $1.89 for like a green screen, bro. Well, it's not a green screen, but damn, this shit works like a green screen. So, yeah, man, so I just came from the dollar store, man. I want, bro, that shit works, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't waste y'all money on a real ass green screen, bro. You get a fucking party tablecloth, bro, you good, bro. You don't need none of that other bullshit. Cause I'm not spending no $100. I gotta buy me a Elgato too. Cause I bought some Chinese ass shit, bro. My cheap ass bought some Chinese ass Elgato, bro. That motherfucker, bro, you gotta keep adjusting that shit every fucking time, bro. That Chinese ass shit. And there ain't nothing against Chinese people either. Asian, it's like that Asian shit, Asian hate, bro, that shit really needs to stop, bro. I be seeing videos of motherfuckers like fucking with the Asian folks. Like, the motherfuckers don't be doing nothing wrong, bro. They just be on some chill shit, bro. Now, it's like, I don't know why they're targeted for some reason, bro. It's like the weirdest shit ever, but like that shit absolutely needs to stop. But it ain't no Asian hate, none of that. I love all ethnicities, all colors, all types of shit like that. I'm a man. Oh shit, this is my turn right here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a man of the people. I'm a man of all cultures, all whatever, my nigga. All that type shit, but it looks like it's about to rain, so I gotta hurry up. I'm on some bullshit. Yeah, man. Y'all get yourself a little green screen like that, bro. Just go to the dollar store, bro. Buy a party cloth that's fucking dark green or has green in it. No, don't buy no shit with polka dot green, fucking purple and green, bro. Get this shit just flat out green, bro. This nigga didn't even turn on his turn signal. Get a John that's just flat out green, bro. No other features, no other add-ons to it, none of that, no stars. You don't want none of that bullshit in your videos, bro. That's real shit. Cause I ain't got time for that shit. Then motherfucker like me, I don't edit, bro. I don't know how to edit, bro. I gotta give a motherfucker to edit. I ain't paying nobody to edit. I ain't gonna lie to you though. That shit ain't happening, but I'm on my way to Walmart right now. Like I already told you, I'm gonna go try to see if I can pick up something real quick for just to stack behind my gaming chair and shit like that. And I'm gonna show y'all, make sure I follow up, a follow-up video gonna come right after this, bro. Me using this shit in one of my videos. So I'm gonna show y'all that this shit really work, and you don't have to go waste your money on some fucking $100 green screen, bro. Like that shit is totally not necessary. It's totally not necessary, bro. There's no reason to do that shit if this type shit works. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. You gonna save a bunch of money, bro. The shit is $1.89 at dollar store, bro. You gonna pay $100, nigga? Come on. You can't, it doesn't get better than that. But anyways, I'm about to shoot at Walmart. I'm about to shoot inside Walmart real quick. I'm gonna let y'all know how that shit go. So, all right, people, this is an update video. I just want to let y'all know with the green screen. I'm sorry I can't show y'all right now, because I messed up. So look, all I did when I went to Walmart, all I did was I grabbed some tape. I had popsicle sticks. That is not necessary. Don't buy no popsicle sticks. But I had got this tape. I got the green screen, the little party sheet paper for like when you put it on the when you put it on the joint. You know, when you at a party and they got the cloth and shit was on that joint. And I had taped it all together. Made it like a little long, and I put it on that wall, and I put it on that wall too. So whatchamacallit, I had taped that on, and it was actually good. Like I'm about to show y'all, like once I'm finished recording this, I'm gonna show y'all like when I did my reaction video to YBN Amir Soul Train song. I used a green screen. It looks legitimately like a green screen, cause it is for real. But sorry I can't show y'all, excuse me, right now, because my dumb ass excuse my hair too, I need to fix my shit, but my dumb ass, I had balled it up with tape on it, and it was just taped together, and it was like when I tried to take it off, it was ripping, so it looked a mess afterwards. But to solve that, all you have to do is just fold it up, bro. Don't like fold it on to the piece of the tape so then it can, like, man, don't do that. So yeah, that'll be the end. But like, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe if you are new. We just hit 250 subs, man. I appreciate all the love, all the support. I really do. That shit means a lot. We going to 100K. 100K. 1K soon. We gonna get 100K, but 1K soon. We gonna start easy and slow. But that's what she said. But yeah. Yeah, and I'm about to show y'all right now how the green screen looks. So yeah, thank you. All right, man. So as y'all can see, right, this is how that shit came out. Y'all can see, like, if you pay attention, like, nobody is going to be in depth into your video like this, to where you can see, like, if you really see in the background, you can see like the little like, I don't know, like the little shades of like the green screen. Bro, come on, bro. Nobody is sitting there going to look at the details of your green screen, bro. If you sit there and do that, you are a fucking virgin and you need help. Like, you need medical attention immediately if you're doing shit like that. But like, for this being a green screen, like this a little cheap green screen, like I recommend this shit for real, bro. This ain't no, like, I'm not even bullshitting with y'all. Like, this is actually a money helper, because most green screens, off the top of my head, I think that shit like $100 or like $90. Nobody paying. I'm not paying for that shit, bro. That shit is not happening. And they got the little green screens for your chair too. Bro, I'm not doing all that shit, bro. I'll just do a little background shit, but yeah, man. Like, as y'all can see, bro, it's a legitimate green screen, bro. It's cool. It works and all that. So I'ma holler at y'all. Y'all stay good.